Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make puri. For this I need 2 cups of atta flour and I'm using warm water, 3/4 cup and 1/8 cup of warm water, a quarter teaspoon of salt. So I'm just putting bit by bit and uh, to see how the texture is. So I actually had 1 whole cup of water and I slowly pour in to the mixture and make this dough. So the remainder cup I have is half of 1/4. So the total is 3/4 cup plus 1/8 cup of water. So the texture has to be like a kind of a soft kind of texture. So I'm going to put it aside for about 20 minutes. Now it's already 20 minutes. I just took it out and I just knead it this way. And now I'm going to make small balls of dough, about ping pong size, small ping pong size. This is about 30 to 33 grams each. Atta flour is actually whole wheat flour. The dough should not be very hard. It should be like soft. So roll them out, roll aside and turn, and then you just swivel to the side and roll it. Try to make as circular as you can. So I actually keep them about the same size so that when I roll the dough out, I want the shape to be about almost the same, so that when I fry it would be good as it will pop off. So just want to make sure that the puree is of same size. I'm using peanut oil. So the chopstick is to test to see whether it got all. So the oil is hot enough. So the stove have to be on high heat. So once you drop in the puri, tap on top and make sure that the hot oil goes on top. Once it puff, you're satisfied, you turn over and make sure, because as you turn over, the other side is thicker. So sometimes you have to press down the puri to get it cook at the side. So this kind of wok would be good. You don't have to use so much of oil. When you put in, tap on top. Uh, that will actually puff up the puri, and some you have to just press down a little. You see, when you press down, you get bubble. So the first time you flip, that is the one that you need to cook longer. So when you put it down, so this once it puffs up, this top part need to be cooked longer. So once you see the puff, turn over and you got to push it down. Yes, you see the bubbling comes out. This is how the trick of doing it to have the puffness. So very important, when you put down, you have to make sure the oil goes on top of that puri. So you just have to push it down like that, and the hot oil will go out, and then it will puff up. So then you turn, you just push it down. So if you're not happy with the texture on top, turn over and let cook longer, and then turn back and then have it press in. So it's always good to do prepare all the puri and then come over and make sure you start with the very first one that you roll out, followed by the last one at the end. So you just press down, you see, you press down. Good. So yeah, this is how I I do my puri. Try, let me know in the comment. Don't forget to subscribe and share the recipe. I shall see you in my next upload. Bye.